sure what this is going to sound like down here, but I was going to sit at home tonight and do some editing, just play in front of the computer, and then outside happened. We're going to go outside in a second. Just one of those nights that you cannot pass up, getting outside and shooting some videos, some photos. Just terrible weather at night makes for great photos. So we're going to go outside in a second, just play around. We're getting a whole bunch of snow. They're saying 5-10 centimeters. So not much, but enough that you get a really cool effect. I'm just going to grab a coat, pack up. I'm waiting for Andre to get here. He's bringing me a coffee, and then we are going to get outside, shoot some video photos, just enjoy what Canada has to offer with some awesome snow. Bag. Obviously got a camera. Just waiting on Andre and a coffee. And then it's time to get out and play in the snow. I'll show you guys what we're talking about. See you. Andre made it, and Andre's got my coffee. Now we're ready to go outside and play. So, enjoying exploring the downtown with Andre. It's snowing like crazy here. Spin around, you can see just some crazy snow. It's awesome to be down here. Not too many people around now, which is perfect, so we can actually spend some time exploring and getting the shots we want. Yeah, just when the weather's bad, get out and explore. Get shots that you'd never get otherwise. You get to enjoy this wonderful snow. Get your gear all soaked and just use it for what it was meant for. All right, let's get back to walking around and checking stuff out down here. It's awesome.